Now that you've had a chance to kind of observe that, think about pulling from that standard, talking about comparing the two texts, and there were other things that were going on, so because we're taking this from this loose approach, what were some of the things that you observed around either what Lucy set up in the beginning or some things that you maybe even just noticed for yourself as moves that went in there? And the way we do that, through the Classroom Learning Lab, so we're getting now into this post-observation conversation or the debrief, is we go into the idea of what are called the noticings and wonderings. And so this is one of the biggest things, I think, that come from, obviously, the fact that it's set up in this structure, but this is a very large component of the Classroom Learning Lab and its success, is that this is then how you share your thinking about what you observed. And right, it's a big deal to be in this non-threatening environment. How are you making observations versus judgments? And this noticing and wondering language is critical to that. So as you are going back, now that you've jotted down your notes, we're going to ask, and I'll just have 3 hands do it, you to share a noticing and or a wondering, whatever you might prefer. And I'll model one first to give you a feel for it. So just take a couple minutes, jot down a noticing or two, and possibly even a wondering. And I'll just have 3 of you, I'll model first and then have 3 of you share. A noticing or a wondering. Go ahead.